Jaclyn here. It's been a while since I hopped in front of the camera, but I'm here, guys. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a natural makeup look. This is a makeup look that I've been wearing recently. Like every time I go out, I like do this makeup look. It's my go-to right now. Just a couple weekends ago, we had the Charleston Natural Hair Expo in my area, and there was an event on that Friday with Allocate Naturals downtown Charleston. Then we had the expo on Saturday, and then we had the all-white brunch on Sunday, and I wore this makeup look for all of those days. Now every time I posted a picture, I got so many compliments on my makeup. It's really easy to do, guys, like I promise. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. Hopefully you guys find it helpful. If you like it, definitely make sure you give the video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section what you think. But yeah, I'm just gonna hop right into it. Alright guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and prime my eyes, because I like to work on my eyeshadows first and then go in with my foundation. I already did my eyebrows, as you can see, but I'm just putting this eyeshadow primer on my lids with my fingertips, nothing too special. I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and take those two shades to put on my eyes in the crease of my eyes. This is gonna be like my transition color. And once I put that color into the crease of my eyes, I'm gonna bring it in a little bit on my eyelids, kind of to the middle of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go into this pink shimmery shade in that same palette and pack that shade onto my eyelids as well. Not gonna bring it out too much to the outer crease, but I'm going to pack it in the inner corners of my eyes and bring it into the middle. As you can see, I did go in with my finger to try to pack that color on some more. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to my other eyelid, of course, and do the same thing. Next, I'm going back into that same palette and taking that burgundy shade in the palette and going to put that into my outer crease. This is going to just darken up this look just a tad, not too dark, but it's going to add just a little bit of smokiness to this look. Next, I'm taking my Mercier Caviar Chrome Veil Liquid Eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid as well. Once I have that applied to my eyelids, I am going to go ahead and take a eyeshadow brush and kind of spread that product out evenly on my eyelid. Next up, I'm going into my itsMyRayeRaye BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to take that shimmery yellow shade and apply that to my inner corners of my eyes. This is just going to brighten this look up a little bit more. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start applying my foundation. I'm going to start off with a primer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty primer all over my face, and then I am going to follow up with the Fenty Beauty foundation. For the foundation, I am in the shade 360. Next up, I'm taking my Mercier concealer and I'm going to apply that under my eyes. I am going to apply it under my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and above my lip, and on my chin. Taking that same beauty blender and just blending that concealer out. Remember, when you are blending concealer, don't rub the beauty blender on your face. Just tap it, tap the product in so that everything can blend seamlessly. Next up, I'm taking my eyeliner. This is just an eyeliner that I found in my stash from Luminess. So I'm taking that and doing just a small cat eye, nothing too dramatic, because I'm going to put lashes right on top of this eyeliner. Then I'm taking my translucent powder from Bakerie. This is their flower powder. So this powder is so like fine. I apply it under my eyes with a brush, and then I'm taking my contour stick. Actually, this is a foundation stick from Black Radiance. So I'm taking that and I'm applying that into my cheeks and on my forehead, along my jawline, just to kind of sculpt my face a little bit and warm it up. Taking that same beauty blender and blending that product in really well. Then I'm taking that same translucent powder from Bakerie, and then I'm going to sculpt out my contour line and brush that powder away. I did not let it sit too long. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and spray my makeup fixing mist. This is from Pixie Beauty. Spraying a good amount on my face. This is going to make sure the powder sets into my face. This is going to make sure that just everything stays in place. So now I'm going in to highlight my face. I'm going to be taking the Mercier Hourglass highlight palette to highlight my face. I'm going to be taking just all of those shades, just mixing them together and highlighting the parts of my face where the light hits the most. So my cheekbones, on my forehead, temples, then my T-zone, so my forehead in the middle, and then the bridge of my nose. And then I like to put a little bit on my chin and above my lip as well. Now I'm going to bronze my face a little bit with my Becca Cosmetics bronzer. Just taking some of that and putting it on top of where I put the Black Radiance foundation stick at. This is going to warm up my face and just, carve it out a little bit more. Now I'm taking my itsMyRayeRaye lipstick. I'm going to put the exact name for this lipstick down in the description box because I can't remember off the top of my head. But this shade is so pretty. It's like the perfect mauve pink color. Now I'm going in with my mascara. I'm using a mascara from Mercier, and I'm going to put this on first and then apply my lashes off camera. And this is my final look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know down in the comment section. Like I said, this is like the perfect go-to makeup look if you don't want to be doing too much when you go out for events. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.